Good morning, students. Today we shall begin with co-prime numbers and twin prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are the numbers who have only one common factor. That means they have only one common factor, that is 1. Any two prime numbers are always co-prime numbers. So prime numbers, suppose 2 and 3 are prime numbers, they are co-prime numbers. So 11 and 23 are prime numbers, so 11 and 23 are co-prime numbers. They have 1 as common factor. Co-prime numbers need not be prime numbers. Only prime numbers can be co-prime numbers. It is not necessary. 4 is not a prime number, but 3 and 4. 3 is having factors 1 and 3. 4 is having factor 1, 2 and 4. So 1 is common in both. So 3 and 4 also co-prime numbers. Then comes to twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers, a pair of prime numbers which differ by 2, that means their difference is 2, are called twin prime numbers. Here you have seen the prime numbers 3 and 5. They differ by, their difference is 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 13 minus 11 is 2. You find some pair of twin prime numbers and write in your copy. Students, in our last class I found the prime numbers between 1 and 100. The prime numbers were 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Total there are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. So I hope you have understood that how to find the prime numbers, and I would like you all to learn the prime numbers by heart. These 25 numbers you have to keep in mind to solve many problems in future. Now there may be many questions from these. Which is the smallest prime number? That is 2. It is the smallest prime number and it is an even number also. You can see that here 13 and 31, these two numbers are reversed in order. In ones place, here it is 3. Here in tens place it is 3. In tens place it is 1. In ones place it is 10. This is one interesting fact about prime numbers. You can find one more pair like this, one more pair like this. Find the pair which one is having the digits in reverse order and tell me in the evening. Now we shall move to a new topic, test for divisibility. So without actual division, how can we test a number if it is divisible by certain numbers? Without dividing by 2, how can we tell that a number is divisible by 2 or not? A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the number is 0, 2, 4 or 8. In this number, without dividing by 2, we can say it is divisible by 2 because the last digit is 0. Here the last digit is 6. Here the last digit is 8. So without dividing by 2, we can say that these three numbers are divisible by 2. You just check the last digit. The last digit, if it is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the given number is divisible by 2. Now we shall check the divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. That means, suppose we are given a number 4, 6 and 6, 4, 6, 6, 8. Then we have to check if this number is divisible by 3 or not. What we have to do? We shall add the digits of the number. That means 4 plus this 6 plus 6 plus 8. So I have added the digits of the number, which is equal to 24. 24, if you divide by 3, you have to divide it by 3. So what you get? 8. 8 into 3 is 24. Remainder is 0. That is exactly divisible. There should not be any remainder. In this case, if remainder is 0, then this number is divisible by 3. As the sum of the digits, if we divide by 3 and it is exactly divisible, that means there is no remainder, then the number is divisible by 3. Do not do the actual division when I tell you to check the divisibility by 3. Most of the students, what they do, they start doing the actual division. They will do this. They will start doing the actual division and they will tell the answer. But it is not correct. It is not going to work. You have to show me like this. Then we shall check the divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are zeros. Last two digits are 0 or the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4. In my example, the last two digits are 0 here also. So these two numbers are divisible by 4. You can see here 28. 28, if you divide by 4, it is 7. 7 into 4 is 28. So exactly divisible. That therefore this number is also divisible by 4. Here you can see 48 is there in the last two digit. The number formed by last two digit is 48. if you divide 48 by 4, 4 it is 1, 8 2 times, so it is 12, remainder is 0, that is exactly divisible. Therefore this number is also divisible by 4. Just you have to divide the last two digits, the number formed by last two digits, if it is divisible by 4 or not. Check it. If there is no remainder, then the whole number is divisible by 4. We will check here. 82 is divisible by 4 or not. 2 times 8, 2 will come down, we cannot divide, so 0, 4 into 0 is 0, remainder is 2. So we are having remainder here. Therefore this number is not divisible by, so it is not divisible by 4 because we have got remainder. This way you have to check the numbers.